Welcome. Today we are in the Morningside neighborhood in this beautiful yellow brick home, 4143 Courville. First floor layout, living room, open to the dining room, open kitchen, in addition to a first floor lavatory. This kitchen has been updated completely. There's the lavatory. We even have a 2-car garage and a first floor bedroom. Everything has been updated here: flooring, walls, electrical, plumbing, heating, cooling, air conditioning, windows, roof, everything you can think of. You should have seen this property when it was first renovated. It was a burned out shell. It's been completely transformed. The second floor has 3 full bedrooms and 2 full baths, including 1 ensuite bath in the primary bedroom, and all of the closets are quite sizable. So if you are interested in this property, shoot me a DM and let's set up a walkthrough.